Hello, we got some more packs again today, and as well we have a nice looking mat. Finally, it gives you some extra background, so it's not just a boring like little black table, I guess, I don't know. And today we have some Sky Legend, I believe. Yeah, I'm gonna open them and then we'll be right back. Alright, we got them open. Employee's gonna move. And like always, oh wow, okay. This one I didn't struggle with. I actually bought this from someplace different than I've been buying my Japanese packs from, so that's probably why. Not as fresh, I guess, I don't know. I have been looking at the set a little bit. There isn't really all too much we're looking for. And like the others, five cards per pack. And it's just like mosaic of all the birds, all the legendary birds. And I know there's I mean, Jesus, I'm all out of whack right now. And there we go. That's all I was trying to say. Oof, I guess not. Well, I guess right there is fine. That actually looks pretty good. I don't know. Talonflame's second evolution. Oh, they've got the Zapdos in the background. That's actually cool. Hoot Hoot or Hoot Hoot or whatever the hell you say it. Still don't remember that one. Lickilicky. Dude, I have like lost all knowledge of Pokemon names at this point. Like, there's some that I just like don't use and don't really like too much. Just took out of my memory completely. Like this one, I don't even know what this is. Like Aroma something. Hoot Hoot again with the Zapdos. Oh, Ekans with the Articuno. The Versus Seeker. And Weezing. And I do have... I'm gonna be filming as well one more thing right after this. So, ooh, Snorunt. I haven't really thought about Snorunt in a while. It's all about Frostlass, man. Lickitung. Still don't. This is like an Ultra Beast Gem thing or something. I don't exactly know. And Camerupt. That's another Pokemon I haven't thought about. Same as Numel, which is really weird how I even remember their names. Well, I guess Hoenn was I've played the Hoenn generation so many times because I owned Ruby, Sapphire, and Emerald. So oof. I played all three of them and I've restarted them multiple times. Snover, Lickitung, Magnemite, ooh, nice little Victini, and Recycle Normal Energy or something. Oh, it's the same thing though. Sometimes it lets me open from just a rip in the back, and then sometimes I have to like pinch it. Well, just be aware if you're ever trying to open packs. Some of them open weirdly. I don't really know what this one is. This is like Nagrandel or something? Oh, that's a Silvally? Or is that the evolution? I don't remember the first one. I know it's a Chimera Pokemon, but... That's not Cherubi, I don't know what that is. Whoa! Ooh. Full Art Trainer, I guess. Looking kind of sus, my guy. Oof. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Sus. And then Snowed Over City. Oof. Oh, maybe I just need to put more force into it. I just don't want to mess up the cards. Ooh, Maze Spirit. I haven't seen Maze Spirit in a while. Silverly or something. Arbok. Oh, that's nice with the Jesse. Can't even remember the character's name apparently. Well, I'm gonna. There we go. It's a little better. That's one of the Tapus. I don't. The only one I think I ever caught was Tapu Koko. Other ones I was like, I'm not gonna go all the way to do their stuff. I just kind of gave up at the end around Alola. It's too much. Snover. Snowy Boy. May Spirit. Magnezone. And this is Xurkitree or Xurkitree. You know what? I didn't even notice on these that the little dots were the energies. Like you get the Thunder, Gleef. I wasn't even thinking about that. Cryogonal or something. Coughing. Oh, what are those? Oh, this is like Aromantis or something. Ooh, Lily. And another Xurkitree. Or Xurkitree? I'm pretty sure it's like there's like an I in there. And we got I don't even remember what the original. I just know Talonflame. May Spirit, the Arrow, whatever. Tapu, Audino. And that's it. Wasn't there a creepypasta because in Black and White, Audino was like a ridiculous EXP farm at the beginning of the game? And there was like a creepypasta of like just all the ghost Audinos or something like that. Snover? Ekans, Articuno, Noctowl. Ooh! This is the evolution that I have no clue what its name is. That is a full art though, but I think that's gonna be. Well, there's 4 full arts, so. And this I have no clue. Same thing as the crystal. I'm pretty sure there's 4. Or you at least get 4 GXs in general. Or maybe not. Maybe you get 4 full arts. Yeah, the thing. Snover. That's the only, like, there's only a couple of the dragons I don't like, and this is one of them. I don't know why. Maybe it's just the color scheme. And there we go, got Talonflame. Talonflame be the uncommon, apparently. Please. Oh my god. Oh. Takes all my strength to open. I mean, not really, but you know. Numble. Ooh, the thing. Oh. There's May Spirit, Uxie, and Azelf, and I don't remember what. I'm pretty sure this is Azelf. Magnezone and Weezing. Why is that Weezing psychic? Can Weezing learn psychic type moves? I would assume so. I mean, how would it move stuff? It just bashes his head against stuff. Snover, Noctowl, Arrow, whatever. The thing. And Abomasnow. I'm surprised Abomasnow didn't get like a 3rd evolution like Swinub did, like in the next couple generations. I mean, I guess they really haven't done anything new with any of the Sinnoh Pokemon. Hoop Hoop, Abomasnow. Recycled energy. Oops. Well, there's the Moltres. I didn't really expect it to be with this Pokemon. I don't remember its name though. Azelf, Cryogonal, Victini, and Lickalicky. Jesus. I was trying to say it. Oh, what is happening with the back of this here? Oh, if it doesn't want to stay up. that was a clean open. Oh, the thing. Nagrindel. Oh, snap. Okay, I mean, that's not the one I wanted to go for. I mean, there's this one, but there's a rainbow rare version. I believe this one's like, maybe like $10 though. It's a nice looking card. Oh, that's like a... And then just Audino at the end there. Alright, we got Hoot. Ekans. I don't think we're really going to be seeing anything. Oh, here's the regular version of that Slowpoke weirdo. Then camera up. Well, I guess I'm not gonna be ending up calling like a Pikachu, like someone wearing a Pikachu costume weirdo, but I don't know, this Slowpoke, how they depicted him is weird. Numel, or how this guy's depicting him is weird. Our channel, oof, the thigh Pokemon that everyone wanted to smash for some reason. Don't smash Pokemon, dude, they're like, well, they're like pets, essentially. But I mean, I guess they're more sentient than pets, but even pets are sentient, so it's just like, I don't know, ever thinking about smashing a Pokemon just always seems wrong. Just like more sentience or something. I mean, obviously, don't smash animals either, but... Oh boy! Dude! Holy crap. That was like ridiculous. You know, Roots, Numel, the thing, Magnemite, the 5 Pokemon again, why? And Talonflame. And then my camera's probably gonna stop soon. I need to get that SD card, but it's like, it's a lot of money for those ones, for the video ones. But I'm gonna have to get it for other stuff that we're gonna be doing eventually, I think. Well, hopefully. Ekans. Hoot. Oh, okay. Then there's Uxie. Okay. And Lickilicky. We're getting through this pretty fast, though. Then, speak of the devil, just as I said that, it stopped. I don't... Magnemite... I can't remember it, I don't know why. Mayspirit, I think, is that a different Mayspirit? Lickitung, Crab, Tapu. Please, open, just open. This is probably, well, oh, the next one is probably going to be like one of the last Japanese sets I do for a while. Well, it kind of depends, because this video's not going to be posted until like 2 months, after the like actual day I'm filming. Oh, because I already have July filled up with videos. Oh god, like openings. And then I have June, I'm not posting any openings. So this is going to go August. But I'm actually filming this in May. Like the end of May. Oh god. Dude, what are these last packs? Dude, they're opening so weirdly. Oh, let me get a little... Just get my finger. Fragile Coughing. The Thing. Weird Guy. Xerxes-Tree. We have around 6 more packs. Just move the whole table with that. Crab. Lickitung, Magnemite. That's Silvally. Or I don't know anymore. It's a good looking card though. Numble, Snover, the Thing, whatever, Chimera, Camerupt, and Crab. Aromatisse, or something. Nagrandel, Recycle, Weezing. And these are our last 2 packs. I'm gonna do the thing we always have to do, the Blue Eyes for Hope, Blue Eyes for Hope, Kaiba for the money. And let's see what we can pull. Can we get a rainbow rare? This guy, Drudadon, that's his name. Remember his name at the last pack. So Frostlass, speak of the devil. And that I'm surprised they don't give it. They didn't have the other one in the set, or maybe I just didn't pull it. Like Lally. I've always like been like, how the hell do you say his name? That thing. Snover. Naptel. Ooh, Keldeo. Keldeo? GX full art. Pretty nice. A little crystal thing. It's a nice looking card. Alright, and as always, I'll be back in a second with a little something extra. We're back. We got a bunch of cards. Or we got a bunch of Digimon packs. This is from version 1. But yeah, and I realized that this video might not even come out till September. Thinking about it, because I have so many back burner videos to edit for card openings that I forgot that I'm pretty sure I have enough to fill up August. So it's probably not going to be out till September. Maybe not. Kind of depends. But let's just get to opening these other packs. Let me set these cards aside and we'll get into it. Oh yeah, let me get for reference. There we go. Now it's gonna be crisp quality. Oh, these are the ones that open like this. They don't open that well, but get in there. Come on, you know you want to be seen, cards. Ooh. At least starting off with something I haven't seen before. Monzamon, there we go, I can just look at the camera. Spiral Sword. Oh, look at that, Agavon Expert. Piximon, I have like 3 of that guy now. Dimension Scissor. Kabuterimon, same thing with that. Wizardmon. Oops. Oh, look at that, Weniamon. Megadramon. Looking back on the good times. Isn't that all we did? Like all of 2020? Just had to. Upamon. And that has a little foil on it, it's kind of hard to see. And, ooh. War Growlmon. Wait, what? What the heck? Oh, I just didn't get a foil. Okay, that's weird. These are both like the weird hollow. Okay, that's interesting. I haven't had a pack like that before. I think. Oh, alright. For our next... Oof, right off the bat, that's nice. Kudamon. Heart's Attack. Mushroomon. Jiminy Christmas, huh? Oof. Andromon. Dimension Scissor. Wizardmon. Chumon. Devimon. Birdramon. Mega Kabuterimon. Then we got Trump Sword. Ooh, and then this is the little foil. And, ooh, Tai Kamiya. That's weird though, we're not getting hollows. Oh well. So live and learn of the card game. Well, I butchered this pack. This pack is dead. Ooh. Dolphmon? Atomic Ray. Repamon. Oh, don't worry about that. Hornbuster. Garurumon. Ogremon. Wizardmon. Dude, every single pack. Petermon? What the heck? Got a Peter Pan boy. Beamon. Boltmon. Doesn't have any effects, dude. You just summon him. Infinity Cannon. And ooh, oh, that was a foil. It's really hard to tell sometimes when you don't like look at the lid on it. And Diaboromon. It's nice. It's like a full art. God dang it! I'm just gonna. It's so bad. That's that little corner open. I mean, I guess it does end up opening the entire pack though. So. Alright. Liamon. Atomic Ray. Kokotorimon. Golden Ripper. Digitamon. Agumon. Blade of the True. Woodmon. Spider Shooter. Darkmon. Mimi Tachikawa. This is the little foil thing. And we got Skull Greymon. And I believe I actually got this one of the other times here. And the last pack for today, or for this video. Whatever. What? Oh wow, that actually got the entire thing that time. Nice. Alright. Tyrannomon. Kokuamon. Liamon. Atomic Ray. Kokotorimon. Blade of the True. Agumon. Tinkermon. Metal Greymon. Metal Edamon. TK Takaishi? Jesus. It's got the little foil, obviously. And Karamon. Alright. That is going to be it for today. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next card opening.